Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 and this is our camp simulation programming for this particular part, which is bottom leg mold. And the component that we actually use are this one, which is the bottom leg for our main project, which is the robot bulldozer. And we chose to make a mold out of it. As you can see here, the mold. And this is not the original size. We have to scale it out by 5%, which is times 5, not 5%, sorry. See here, the mold. And here's also that we make the rough stock. Okay, on to the next one. After we make the part and the rough stock, click on start and go to machining and choose prismatic machining. Here are the workspace for the prismatic machining. Firstly, what you have to do is go to the part operation, double click, and then choose the machine that we will be using. Here, go to numerical control and make sure the control emulator is CATIA and the post processor is Siemens 840 and the post processor word table is IMS PPCC mil. And for the NC data type, we will choose ISO. Then we click OK. Next, we will choose the reference machining axis system. Click on this middle part and then select on the edge here, like so. And then click OK. After that, we will choose the design part for simulation, which is this part inside here. Go to the tree and then select the part body. After that, we will choose the stock, which is the green part. And also we made a safety plane right here, which is 10 millimeter above the stock. Like so, and then press OK. On to the next one, we will go to the manufacturing program, click here, and then go to insert, machining operation, and roughing operation. Choose prismatic roughing. Okay, for the rough stock, we choose this one, which is the stock. The part, which is the design part that we will be cutting. The safety plane, this one, and then the top, on top of the stock. We will leave the offset on part and offset on check. Now in 1 millimeter. And after that, we go here. The machining with tool path style, we will choose helical. And then go to radial, step over, leave it overlap ratio. Axial, maximum cut depth, we will choose only 1 millimeter. Fast machining, don't do anything, and then go to the tool. For this one, we will unselect the ball end tool, and this one just RC, choose 2 millimeter. For the diameter of the tool, we just leave it 10. And for the feed rate, we just leave it as it is, and the quality is rough. And on to the last one is this one. For the pre-motion, we will make the exile motion 100 millimeter offset. Also the post motion, also the same, 100 millimeter. Then we will go to the toolpath replay. See here, generating the toolpath. Here we can see the where the toolpaths are going. See, you can check it one by one. And if you click here, you can see the simulation like so. To make it quick, we can just slide this and it will cut quicker. So now as you can see, you're done with the rough cutting simulation. It will become like so. And then press OK. Then here, press OK also. After done the prismatic roughing, we click here. We choose multi-pocket operation, power machining here. Okay, for this one, we will hide the stock, only the mold piece. Then we select the top, on top here, and then check. It's all in all the side here. It can be faster if you just select two and then click the belt of face navigate. We close all, but for this particular part, I have to do it. Looks like one by one, not mostly. So, so select all the sides. And then automatically cover all. So then press OK. Then we will choose the part which is the part body. And for the offset, we just make it 0 because we want to make it finish. 0, 0. And here for the general, the maintenance of site also 0, 0 millimeter. Here also 0 millimeter. And for the center, we will choose helical. Radial axial, we will choose only 0.5 millimeter. So, and then the other things you don't change. Then click on the cutting tool, change the name for tool 2. And then for this part, we will make it 0. So to smooth out for finishing. And this one, because because it has lots of small like area, we only gonna use 2 millimeter cutting tool here to make it. We choose like 5 millimeter on top, like so. And here quality we choose finish. And for the pre-motion, we're going to make it 100 millimeter. Also the same for the post motion, 100 millimeter. Then call the toolpath replay. As you can see here, this is the path that we will be cutting. Then we're gonna look at the simulation. Okay, let's play. First, we show the roughing process. And after the roughing process is done, we will do the power machining. You can see right here. Now the sides are perfectly as the mold that we want. Then press OK. So we're done. Click OK. Now that's the. Now we already have two uh, steps or command. After that, we're going to do facing on the top. Click on power machining and then click insert. Go to machine operation and then choose facing. Here we are going to only choose the top part because we're gonna do facing only for this top part, like so. And this one, we're going to choose back and forth. Radial, we're gonna leave it as it is, or maybe change the end of pass to out, so maybe it can be more cleaner. And for the axial, we're gonna choose maximum depth of cut, yeah, 0.5. And for the finishing, we're gonna choose finish bottom only. Thickness is 0. Then onto the cutting tool, we choose this one, face mill. Change this to 15. And then just 1 to 25. And for the RC, just 0.2. And for this one, we're just gonna leave as it is. And also this one, same, we're gonna make it 100. Approach, and for the retract, the same, 100 millimeter. Then we will go to the toothbrush replay. See, we go to the simulation. And let's see. We'll make it faster. So it will show the roughing and then the power machining. And then facing. That's it. Then we click OK. That we can also click OK. Now it's done. For creating the NC code, just have to go to manufacturing program, right click, go to manufacturing program objective, and go to generate NC code interactively. Here you choose this one, select, click, OK, store the same, then click execute. This and then just As you can see, it's already generating. Bottle manufacturing. Yes. As you can see, this is the NC programming. So this is the machine we use, the tool. These are the commands. And now for the comparison, I will be making a report of it to compare at least two tool paths for prismatic roughing, power machining, and facing in the included inside the project report. That is all from us. Thank you very much.